Hey guys, so today I'm going to share with you 3 of the 12 methods that we use in Lightning Scientific Arnis International. Methods 1, 5, and 7. I am going to demonstrate the methods first without footwork and do it with the footwork. Then I am going to invite my son John to help me demonstrate the applications. So let's get started. Method 1, angle 1, angle 6. Method 1. Method 5. Angle 1. Half strike. Angle 6. Method 5. Method 7. Angle 1. Half strike. 15. Angle 6. Method 7. Now, let's do the methods with footwork. There are 2 common footworks that we use in Lightning Scientific Arnis. So that is the cambio and the seguida. So the cambio goes like this. You step to the side and pull the other leg towards the back. So cambio means to change. So what you're after is you're changing sides. So whether we do it slightly moving forward or slightly moving backwards, okay, cambio is a cambio. Next one is seguida. Seguida is to move forward or to press forward. Whether we do it straight towards the center line or do it diagonal, that's still seguida. Also, a seguida can be a shuffling step or an alternating step. Method 1. I can have cambio for angle 1 and angle 6. I can also have cambio on angle 1, seguida for angle 6. So if I want to press forward, okay, I'm gonna do a seguida. Method 5. I can cambio. During the half strike, I can stay put. I can play cambio again on 6, or I can cambio, I can shuffle, press in for 6. Method 7, I can cambio, I can stay put all the way through and cambio, or I can cambio, I can shuffle, stay put, and enter. I can cambio, I can shuffle twice, and then I enter. The application of the footwork really depends on the situation that is happening. With my son John to demonstrate the use of the methods together with the footwork. So I'm going to ask John to throw a forehand and a backhand strike. Basically our 1 in 6 or 1 in 2 to most of you. So see, if you notice, he managed to touch my face whenever he does a 1 and a 6 or a 1 and a 2. If I cambio to my right, so that is breaking to the right, he actually misses me. Stop. Now if he comes back with a 6 or a 2 from where I am, okay, he can actually reach me. So if I cambio to my left, that allows me to stay away from his range. Now let's go back. Okay, he throws a 1, I do a cambio, and I would like you to stop at this position. So although he misses me, notice where my stick is, I can tag his hand. Okay, so although my body, my face is safe from his stick, I can basically do a counter or do an intercept. Okay, so the same thing here. Right, so you got 1, 2. Okay, so we can play, okay, we can play a block if we want to, we can play an intercept if we want to. So method 1, we go from here, okay. Now I can also change from interception to control. Okay, so by using a footwork we call seguida. So one more time. And this is where I can start doing some disarms. I cambio here, I do seguida. Okay, so from here, when we do baston cerrada, we do have two options. Strip, forget about stripping, control. One more time, I go cambio, I go seguida. So that is basically method 1. Now let's go to method 5. Method 5 is composed of an angle 1, a half strike, and a 6. Okay, so notice when I do my half strike, I need to transfer my weight forward. Okay, so using my back leg, I push forward. Okay, so and I extend my stick. If I stay in this position, I don't reach him. I slightly move forward. Transfer your weight forward with a push. What is the application of method 5? Okay, we can use the half strike to execute a counter. So I intercept and I do a half strike. So one more time, I intercept and I do a half strike. Okay, I aim the half strike towards his face. It could force him to block it. Okay, so now he blocks it. This is where now we use method 7. Method 7 goes 1, half strike, 13, and 6. So if I play it, he blocks. Okay, that's where the 13 comes in. We can use the half strike as an engaño, basically for your opponent to reach out and then tap the hand. Or you can use the 13 as an actual follow-up from your half strike. So he blocks it, 13. Okay? And then from there, we choose. We play it safe or we go in. So for example, I go back to method 5. I enter. Okay? So I'm going to do it slowly. I go 1. I half strike. Okay? And then from here, I'm going to do my 6 at the same time entering. But I'm going to change my timing. Okay? So after the half strike, while he might be chambering or he might be preparing for the next strike, then I'm entering. Okay? So you need to change your timing here. I'm in. I'm using the half strike to put pressure, to put him off balance, and then with method 7, I go 1, 2, 3, and then I enter. Okay, then from here, we can control 1, 2, 3, and enter.